Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, talk about one of the feature which got added in the mobile hotspot in this IQ7 device after the recent software update. Yes friends, just a couple of days back I did receive the software update which is a 1.72.12 as you can see friends. So after this software update I did see a couple of changes happen in this phone, but this video I'll try to talk about the mobile hotspot. What are the changes it did happen in the mobile hotspot, so which you may not be noticed before, but at least right now you can actually notice this kind of difference in this IQ7 device. So let me need to go to the settings option which is present here. Let me just show you first before. So what is the settings before the hotspot used to have? That is what I'm going to exactly show you first. So this is my same video which I uploaded on the IQ7 device, I think of 1 month or 2 months back. So these are Wi-Fi hotspot options which are available previously before the update, as you can see. Now let me need to show you the present settings what is available in this phone. Let's go to the hotspot tethering and the Wi-Fi hotspot. So right now, as you can see friends, there's a one extra feature which is added, which is called the one-time mobile data limit option, as you can see. So finally we do have that kind of option to restrict the data, how much you want to utilize when you're using the Wi-Fi hotspot. As you can see, 50 MB or 100 MB, 200 MB. In this way you'll be able to limit how much the mobile data hotspot should be using. So this is a really good useful feature which is present in this phone in the IQ7 device. After the recent software update only, this option has been added. Before the update, the option is not there. As you can see friends, it's not there at all before the update. You can clearly see the difference. So this is a small detail which I thought of just covering in this IQ7's topic. In case if you are not aware, you can actually use this kind of benefit as well in this IQ7 device. So thank you for watching this video friends, and I'll see you in the next video, and then stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. And still there is no Wi-Fi 6 hotspot thing in the Wi-Fi hotspot. So usually the phones which are having the Wi-Fi 6 hotspot, they'll have that kind of feature which is called the Wi-Fi. So let me just show you. This is a OnePlus Nord 2 which has a Wi-Fi 6 support in this phone and portable hotspot. And let me try to go to the settings. So in the portable hotspot settings, you do have this kind of option which is called the Wi-Fi 6 hotspot, as you can see. In most of the phones, they do have this kind of option, but still the IQ7 is not having that Wi-Fi 6 option in this Wi-Fi hotspot. That's a small thing which I have just mentioned for you all. And thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video, and then stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any queries, don't forget to check the playlist for more details. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.